Are you fed up looking around for a keyboard because it just doesn't do all the things you want? You want something which is quite slim, portable, mechanical, and you can also connect it up via either a cable, a wireless receiver, or Bluetooth, and it's also got RGB lighting. Well, this keyboard has all that and much more. Today we are diving into the world of compact premium gaming keyboards with a brand new Cherry MX LP 2.1 compact wireless keyboard. Now this keyboard is marketed towards the hardcore gaming enthusiast or professional gamers and everyone between. This little beast packs some serious punch, featuring a sleek 65% form factor, low profile MX speed switches and customizable RGB lighting. So let's get this out of the box and see what it's all about. Let's have a quick look at the box first though. So the box is quite striking. It's got a glossy product image on the front center with a black background with the model number highlighted in red. But the feature listings on the front could do with a bit more contrast. It's hard to read dark grey text on a black background. Inside the box we have the keyboard, a lengthy manual that could easily be replaced with a QR code, a 1.6 meter USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable, and a 2.4 GHz wireless adapter, all well packaged and protected, some in paper, some in plastic. On the bottom of the keyboard we've got 4 small round anti-slip feet, sort of surrounded with a raised anti-slip ring. They do the job on a mouse mat, but on a slicker surface like polished wood or glass it can slide around a bit. On the back you'll find an on-off switch with a USB Type-C port for charging or for a more traditional wide connection. The sides and the front are pretty minimalistic, though it does support a speckled paint design throughout the base. Depending on your preference, this is either a stylish touch or a minor annoyance that may make you think that your keyboard is always dirty. Let's talk about connectivity. The Cherry keyboard offers you the flexibility of connecting up to 3 devices at the same time via Bluetooth. It's as easy as holding down the function key and pressing Q, W or E to switch between your devices. Alternatively, you can use the included 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi receiver or go old school with a wired USB connection. Now the RGB lighting is something else. You can control the lighting directly on the keyboard or get more control with the Cherry utility software. This thing can light up like a Christmas tree in any pattern you want and even lets you set up macro keys. Even though the frame is mainly plastic, the build quality feels robust. There's a little bit of flex, but it doesn't creak or crack, meaning the keyboard can handle some serious gaming sessions. Just don't try and use it as a makeshift baseball bat. The keycaps are removable, but sadly there's no remover included. Remember, these are low profile keys with Cherry MX low profile speed switches. They're smooth and responsive, and while they don't have as much travel as a full-size switch, they still offer a comfortable and tactile typing experience. Okay, so we're going to do a sound test. Now my voice is going to sound different because I'm quite far away from the microphone which is here. This microphone is exactly 20 centimeters away from the top row of keys. Now, to give you a comparison, this is a traditional office keyboard most people would have used, so this will give you an idea of the sound difference. So just give you an idea. There we go. So now we're going to test the actual keyboard itself. So let's start off with the QWERTY keys. Enter. Spacebar. Left shift. Right shift. Arrow keys. W, A, S and D, and the number keys on the top, and a full sentence. So let's wrap it up. The Cherry MX LP 2.1 compact wireless keyboard is a versatile, compact and powerful keyboard that will enhance your gaming experience. Is it perfect? No, but it's certainly a strong contender in the premium compact keyboard market. I recommend checking it out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and know I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.